Hey guys, Max here, and I just want to share a little trick that I found out that I'm using. So, you know how hard dogs are on things, right? Especially, working dogs like Flash. And this is his clip. And the problem with this is whenever, this clips in, and, he's supposed to take this pouch and carry supplies in it. But as you can see, he broke it because he goes up against trees and stuff like that. Well, instead of just taking super glue and putting super glue on it, what you want to do is take a little bit of ash. I got my my sage smudge here, and I just got some ash in the bottom of there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some ash on this, and then I'm going to drip this here super glue on it, and that should make that thing stronger than it was before. So, and that's what I need to happen. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Another thing that might be helpful is if you take that piece of sandpaper or a file and rough this up. But as you can see, Flash has already roughed it up pretty good, and I'm just going to try to get this back in here the way it was, like so. I'm going to try to get it as flat as I can. Maybe I'll use this little tray here. And then I'm going to take this ash that I have in here. I'm going to use a Q-tip and just put it along that crack there. I don't know what the chemical reaction is, but there's something that happens between the super glue and the ash. Also, you can also use sand. But the thing about ash is it's like so microscopic, breaks down. I'm going to put all this ash on that crack like so. And I just bought this at the Dollar General store. Okay, so both of these are kind of like gel super glues. I wanted the more liquid kind, but we'll go ahead and get these on here. I got all that on there. Now I'm going to take my Q-tip there and try to smooth it out a little bit. The ash. I can feel it already getting hard. And if you can, try to keep your sharp corners, try to spread it out. But yeah, I could smell that. So it's better if you get the liquid super glue, but this is all they had available at Dollar General. And Flash is getting ready to do some training today, so I had to get this done right quick. This is a great way to repair your stuff in a hurry, whenever you got to go. So we'll just let that set for a few minutes. Another thing you could do is maybe pour more ash on top of it, get it to dry quicker. Because who wants to sit around and wait for super glue that's supposed to dry in 10 seconds, forever to dry. So just take that stuff, get it to dry faster. I think that's a part of the reason why we use the ash. Get it to absorb all the moisture and get it to dry as fast as possible, because these days super glue isn't as good as they used to be. But I don't know, if you get the real stuff online, I bet you it's a lot better. Okay, I gotta tell you, after I put that ash on top, it only took a couple seconds, and it appears dry. I mean, it appears dry. So I don't know. Let's not baby this sucker. Let's get in there. Okay. Yeah, the ash made it get hard like real fast, so it does work. If you get some type of ash and it's not attaching to my skin or anything like that. So yeah, this little ash trick is, that's the way to go. Now, I guess what you could do is you could get like some sandpaper and sand that down nice and smooth, but I don't care. I kind of like it a little bit rough because it helps me grip onto that whenever I'm trying to fasten Flash up. And a lot of times, he'll get excited and he's moving around, especially when he sees this, because he knows that this is work time whenever he sees this. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Use that super glue with ash Ash is going to help it dry real fast, so you don't have to sit there and wait forever for it to dry. It even worked with this gel stuff, so that's kind of cool. If you could get the liquid super glue, that'd probably even work better, but it does work with the gel stuff, and that stuff is hard. It's hard. Okay. See you guys in the next one.